So, Indies, yeah. So, Indies, ay. Yeah. Go and try your luck, test me in the game, we let it rain. Please don't start us up, got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that ass be poking out them jeans up and sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame, heard you barking up. This the wrong tree, I got the strings, yeah, I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained, now they walking up. Trying to put the face to the name. Pull up and I and I'm swerving. If a nigga try to holler.
Yo, what it do, YouTube, man? We back with another banger today, man. Got my boy Worm in the city. Whoa. Yes, sir. We got all Donna, man. Tahoe game. We at the AutoZone right now. Boy, they got the A and the U out there for that bitch say two zone. We at the AutoZone though, man. My boy to make a stop before we head to the meet. We out here fresh, dog. Got the snow, man, looking scrumptious out here. You know, fresh wax. Yes, sir. Donald, I don't know what he done, man. Look at this dude, man. What you had to get, man? Oh, he in the back. What you had to get?
What that is?
I said, what you had to get?
Shit, freedom. When a nigga getting tight like compressor, bro.
Yeah.
Last nigga ain't bitch ass nigga, he ain't tighten my shit up. When he sprayed that shit in there, all that shit shot out.
Damn.
$115 for the freedom.
Ain't no way. Shut up. Yeah, I know. I got one at the house. I got that same setup. I had to put something in the Honda. But these things looking good, man. Shit, the gym. You know.
Hey, big boy, turn that bitch all the way up.
That be a blowing high, wasn't it? Like, you about went through a little sandstorm, man.
Goddamn.
Voltec, I don't see it.
Goddamn, man.
My boy gonna beat this stuff up soon, man. In the shop all winter. Holiday. Yes, sir. Hey, but I'm gonna come back to y'all though, man. When we head to the meet, we finna get to pull up in a minute. It's like 7, almost 8 o'clock. It said start at 8:30. So yeah. Get back on the camera in a minute, man.
I didn't think they was gonna do it wide open.
We out there, big, y'all. It been deep too. That bitch deep as fuck. Then that bitch in the wide open tonight. I like this car that bitch here raw. That bitch raw. No cap. That bitch raw. Scat pack. That bitch sounds so good, boy. Lord. That bitch sounds good as hell. I like that. Hey, he got the same design I got on my Hey, swinging on bitches tonight, boy. What up with it? I talked to John and say he on the way out here.
Yeah, he just texted. What's out with you, man?
Can't make no noise.
Yes, you got the ZL1 out tonight, man.
Yeah, I ain't washed my truck. I was like, man, I ain't coming in.
I was last minute. I was last minute watching my shit. That been hell wash too. What's out with you, man?
I washed my fucking car. Y'all about it.
Hell yeah. Back some off. What's up, dude?
Shit.
Yeah. That bitch here pretty packed tonight. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, that bitch pretty packed. That bitch right there sounds so good. Shit, you ain't just hear that bitch clapping on that bitch. Shit.
Hey, I just pulled up.
That bitch the bigger. Shit. That bitch clamped out. Oh God. Oh yeah. See, that's why I want to bring my car too, man. I need 2 drivers. Fuck.
I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you.
I'm gonna do like Corey, so get a fucking trailer.
I gotta get one lower. How low your car is?
Oh.
It's higher than mine?
About the same. Come on, and low to the ground, yeah.
About the same?
Yep.
It ain't gonna work for you either.
That been low as fuck, man. I can't even go over certain speed humps.
Oh, y'all niggas don't down one of y'all niggas.
Yeah.
They cutting up.
Hey, they big pack though, man. Look at that big motherfucker, man. That big F250 over there, that sucker huge.
That's old boy. Oh, fuck. Can't think of man, look.
Same cow clean.
They just sent me the blueprint and everything from my pocket.
That boy got them 14 wide, yeah. Whoa. That big clean too. His snap. That big roll. Oh my God. I like that, dude. That boy got the green on. Oh, you done got close, cousin. Oh, damn, he done took the red bottles off? Already. They got some vehicles out here tonight. Yes, sir. Whoa. I live up the cat out. Whoa. Hey, Mac. That bitch sound alright. You already know it. Hey, already know it. I mean, shit, you got to work for it. I got nothing good. Shit. Let me go get with my buddy real quick. All right. As usual, the meat getting shut down. Wasn't there 15 minutes, man. Wasn't even there 15 minutes. The meat get shut down. So what we about to do is go to Waffle House. And the next spot's supposed to be across the street from the Waffle House. So we gonna watch that across the street, see how much that lays. Whoa, Nat. Man, look, we done made it to the spot where we done made it to Waffle House and the police already over there, man. I'm talking about they already over there. There's like 6 of them over there already, and they cutting up bad. They acting bad.
You know what I'm saying? Look at the size and like I thought they was 8s when you first pulled up on them.
Bro, shit hard, man. Bro be talking about, man, I gotta change it up, man. It ain't that hard. Man, you crazy. All you gotta do is put some lights on it. And bro, decent. That be clean, man. I'm telling you, man, that boy hard. I don't know what he talking about. That boy get compliments all the time. Worm next, man.
That's what I was just telling him about them A's. Them A's gone. I'm
Nigga, dog.
That's the white truck I was talking about.
But if you gonna go ace on your shit,
I'm going A's, man.
just do the 2-inch lift in the front, man. Just do the 2-inch lift in the front.
Oh, you talking about like old boy with Slam? You talking about that kind of setup with the H?
Oh no, I ain't going nowhere.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you want?
But I wasn't gonna go tall. I was gonna put the A's, but the
Yeah, that bitch blurred, bro. That bitch blurred.
That's why I say I'm trying to send it through the motherfucking Instagram.
Yeah, try to send it on Instagram. Hey y'all, we got a clean roller, man. We got a clean roller of buns and mine, clean. I'm gonna put that in this video. This video probably ain't gonna be long, man. The meat ain't even last long. I'm telling you, every spot they finna hit is over with tonight. I'm finna get some food though, bro. I ain't eat all day. Over with. Gotta put something in that tummy. God. Look at them all, man. Look at them all, man. Big boy. Man, look what his hood taller than my truck.
That's what I'm saying.
On the top. Yes, it is. Look at that, dude.
Oh, you talking about my roof?
Yeah. Dude, your stuff tall, way taller than my truck. Dude, you make my rims like 22. I told you, man, you big, dude. You gotta look at the front and that bottom where you can see that lift and stuff. Huge, man. God. Bro, they all over there, man. Let me change lens so I can zoom in over there, sucker. Hold up. Right, I'm back. We got the zoom lens. Oh, we can't really zoom that far in, but it's decent. That boy. Load up. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie, that old Charger sound pretty decent. Man, that boy on the back of that truck. Look at him. He on the back of the truck. Man, they over there big, dog. I'm telling you. Where they got a KFC at? I ain't never seen I seen one KFC down here. What time they close? What time they close? My Trap House a Waffle House. My Trap House a Waffle House. I'm ready for the load. Just imagine the setup on there.
What's up?
They got that music going. They got the lawman right there. Oh no, that ain't. He look like the lawman. That boy got that slap right there. Man, I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm probably from the end right here. But no, I'm gonna wait till Jones pull up, cause Jones supposed to pull up on us. And then I'm gonna end the video right there, man. Cause man, I swear it wasn't even worth it, bro. This me wasn't even worth it. I ain't even on cap. So I'll be back though. Oh yeah. Look who pulled up, y'all. Oh boy, got them. What they be saying? Cartiers.
Cartier frames.
15,000. What did we say?
20,000 on the wrist.
Yeah.
I got 100 grand in the teeth.
Oh man, I'm Warren pulled up on it. I told y'all. Hey, everybody be asking Warren about your grill. Warren, everybody be asking about your grill on the channel, man. Hey, tell them custom on it, man. Custom on
I created that in the inbox on Instagram.
Yes, sir.
And it took, what, 2 months?
It
took about a month and a half to come.
Long. I ain't gonna lie. It was worth the wait.
Yeah.
Definitely worth it.
Go straight up.
You got the demon on? Yup. That boy got the demon on. Oh, God. Hey, this gonna be the thumbnail. Let me get back. Yeah, this gonna be the thumbnail, man. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. So I can turn on my lights. And then I'm gonna take this picture for a thumbnail. We'll see y'all in the next video.